so our slide here has two pie charts, class 2 and class 5, who were asked about their favourite drinks, and the choices were Fizz-Aid, Roller Cola and Vomto. Very strange sounding drinks. Bit of a play on words there. So this is year 5 and this is year 2. Look like nice straightforward pie charts, but has anybody noticed anything different about them? At first glance they look very similar, but has anybody noticed anything different?
There's a larger amount of pupils on the one on the left.
Good. So yeah, year 5 have got 96 pupils in their year. Year 2 have only got 48. That's going to make a big difference because, as we found out earlier, a pie chart is all about fractions of a whole. So if we're working out fractions of 96, they're going to come up with different answers to fractions of 48. So, how many pupils in year 5 liked Fizz-Aid?
48.
48. How did you work that out?
Because half of the pupils in year 5
Good.
in a blue,
Yeah.
and half 96 is 48.
Good. Well done. So we've got 48 pupils who like Fizz-Aid in year 5. What about in year 2?
24.
24, because we only started with 48 pupils, so 24 pupils like Fizz-Aid. Good, okay. So, you need to be very careful and work out your amount that you start with first, and think about the amount you start with before you work out your fractions. So, how many children in year 2 chose Roller Cola? So we've got year 2, 48 in total. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equal sections. How many sixes are there in 48?
That will be 8.
8, good. So 6 8 is 48. That will help me to work out how many children like Roller Cola. Why will that help me to work it out? Why did I suddenly go into my tables?
Only half it.
No, I didn't.
Because 6 times 8 is obviously 48, and there are 6 almost pieces of the pie in the pie chart.
Yeah.
So then one little bit of pie is 8.
Good,
So
well done, yeah. I know that there are 6 equal pieces, yeah? 6 eighths make 48, so each of those pieces must represent how many pupils?
8 pupils.
8 pupils, let's count. 8, 16, count with me, 24, 32, 40, 48. Yeah, so it works, do you see? So I just use my times tables. The lovely thing about maths is everything links. You link together and use all those skills. So all those tables practice, the exercises that we've done, all help because we need our tables. All that work on fractions that we did, all helps because we need to understand fractions. It all links together. That's the nice thing about maths. It all links and helps each other. So, how many children in year 2 chose Roller Cola? It's only one section, so it must be 8. Good, well done. How many more children chose Vomto and Roller Cola in year 2? So 2 lots of sections, so 2 lots of 8 chose Vomto, 1 lot of 8 chose Roller Cola. So how many more children chose Vomto?
8.
8, yeah, 8 more. So each section represents 8. Good. Okay, and is this what other questions could you ask? So have a look at those pie charts at home and write a couple of questions that you could ask somebody else about people's favourite drinks and how many children chose each drink. Okay, have a go at that, have a go at your chili challenges.